What's up YouTube, this is Jesse aka Royalty Custom Sneakers and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be icing out a pair of Air Force Ones for NBA G League player Paris Bass.
Rebound Bass. A little shake and bake for Paris Bass.
Down one of the very few professional players out of Nova Scotia. Look at that.
Okay, big man with the spin move by Bass. Paris Bass. Nice behind the back dribble to Euro. Oh, a thing of beauty.
Long rebound out to Paris Bass, working against you. Under 9 minutes to go in the half. Paris Bass.
Yeah, it was. He didn't miss by much.
Bass
splits the traffic.
For this shoe, we're going to be gluing thousands of tiny gems to the upper of an Air Force One. So sit back and enjoy the time lapse. This pair took me over 36 hours to complete. Now it's time to pack them up and ship them out. If you want your own pair of customs, hit me up at Royalty Custom Sneakers on Instagram, like the video, comment what you want to see next, subscribe to the channel, and as always, stay royal.